Assalamu alaikum class, how are you? I am your teacher from the Educators FM campus. Today we are going to learn about inventions. An invention is something that is new, innovative and modern for its time. In the Stone Age, one of the major discoveries was the discovery of fire. The discovery of fire is the earliest discovery in the recorded human history. As the population of the world increased, man was able to grow the food he wanted to eat. He discovered agriculture. Agriculture is the process of farming and growing food. Now we use the latest technologies to feed the 7 billion population of the planet. The invention of wheel is one of the most important inventions because it completely changed our lives. The first wheel was developed in the ancient Sumerian civilization. The modern wheel was discovered in the beginning of 19th century. Electricity was also a breakthrough invention. Although electricity is mentioned in the ancient text of Egyptian civilization, it was in the 1600s that a lot of work on electricity was done. The light bulb was invented by Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison was an American businessman and inventor. He also invented motion picture camera that would later be used to make movies. Henry Ford. Henry Ford invented the automobile. It was known as the Model T cars. It was produced from 1908 to 1927 in the USA. Henry Ford was able to do mass production and the cost of making those cars decreased. As a result, everyone could buy those cars. Another impressive invention was the telephone. Alexander Graham Bell made the first telephone on March 8, 1876. His invention would change the way people would communicate. It changed the way people did business and communicated in their daily lives. Computers and internet were also important inventions in communication. Internet came into being when computers were created. The size was as big as a room. The first computer was made in 1946. With the passage of time, the first computer would evolve into laptops that we use now, and internet would grow into the World Wide Web. This would make it affordable and accessible to everyone. WWW means World Wide Web. There were many famous inventors in the Muslim world as well. Muslims had a strong impact from the mid 7th century to 13th century. During this time, Baghdad, a city in Iraq, was referred to as the House of Wisdom. Many Muslim followers acquired knowledge because they believed it was their religious duty. As China had invented paper in the 8th century, the use of paper made it easy for the Muslim scholars to record their knowledge. Baghdad had become the capital of knowledge. Ibn Sina was one of the most profound philosopher and inventor of the Islamic age. He had made inventions in medicine and philosophy. Abu al-Qasim. Inventions in medicines will later form into surgical procedures. Ibn Battuta was a traveler famous for the journeys he took. Over a period of 30 years, Ibn Battuta visited most of the non-Islamic world as well as many non-Muslim lands. It is said that Ibn Battuta wrote the first traveler book named Rihla. There were many other inventions that were done under the Islamic age. The architecture was very innovative for its time because natural light was used to light the rooms and the ventilation was also kept intact. Okay students, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.